Wait, Coinbase is literally giving away free Bitcoin and nobody's talking about it? Seriously, if you want to grab this deal, click the link in the description below right now before they change their minds. I'm Alexandra, and I'm about to show you exactly how to get $10 in Bitcoin for basically doing nothing. So here's the deal. Coinbase is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Think of it like the Amazon of Bitcoin. They're legitimate, they're regulated, and apparently, they're feeling generous. Right now, when you sign up using the promo code in my description, they'll give you $10 worth of Bitcoin completely free. No catch, no hidden fees, just free money. Now I know what you're thinking. Alexandra, this sounds too good to be true. Trust me, I thought the same thing. But here's why they do it. They want you to try their platform, and $10 is basically pocket change to them. It's like Costco giving you free samples, except the sample is actual money. The process is ridiculously simple. Click my link, sign up with your email, verify your identity, which takes like 2 minutes, and boom. $10 in Bitcoin sitting in your account. You can keep it, trade it, or cash it out. Your choice. And here's the kicker. Bitcoin's been on a wild ride lately. That $10 could be worth $15 tomorrow or $50 next month. Or it could be worth $8. But hey, it's free money, so who cares? Don't sleep on this. Click the link in the description, use the promo code, and get your free Bitcoin. Future You Will Thank present you for taking 2 minutes to grab some free crypto. Link in the description for your discount and special offer. Go snag it now.